How to add email in Telegram. First of all, launch the Telegram application in your mobile device and log into your Telegram account. Once you land on this interface, before we press it, you have to know that we cannot directly link your email to Telegram so that you can use it for login. However, you can use your email and add your email in Telegram for backup. So for that, head over to the top left corner and from there tap on three line icon. Now from this menu bar, tap on settings. After you get to your setting page or your profile page, scroll down a bit and on the settings, tap on privacy and security. That will take you to privacy and security page. Here, to add email as a backup, you have to turn on two-step verification. So for that, go on the first option, two-step verification, and here you have to set a password. Tap on set password, and here you have to enter a password. After that, tap on this arrow icon. Now again you have to re-enter your password. Now here you have to create a password. So make sure you enter a password and remember that password for your verification. Here you can create an optional hint for your password or simply skip this process. Now here you have to set up your recover email for your backup. So simply type in your email address. Make sure you type in your correct email address, then move forward by tapping on this arrow icon. Now you will receive a verification code in your email. So go back and check your email in your device. Simply copy the code and get back to Telegram and simply paste the code here. Now once you verified your password has been set, and tap on return to setting. Here you can change password, you can disable password, or you can change recover email as well. Now if you go back and tap on privacy and security, there you have turn on the two-step verification and you have set up your password along with your email as a backup. So that's how you get to add email in Telegram. That's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.